The following will demonstrate the process for cleaning a cutting board. Before you begin, be sure to wear the proper personal protective equipment as stated on the product label or SDS. To begin, use a scraper to remove and discard loose food particles. Then, wash the cutting board by applying a food safety degreaser and wiping with a clean cloth. If heavy soil is present, a designated brush may be used. Rinse the cutting board using clean water and a clean cloth. Next, apply block whitener evenly over the cutting board. Use a designated brush to scrub it into the entire surface. Allow the surface to remain undisturbed for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse the cutting board using clean water and a clean cloth. Next, sanitize the surface. Then, allow the cutting board to air dry.